Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Theragist, and in summary, we want you to live your best life, so we provide ways to have optimum mental health in and out of the workplace. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: empathy towards people with mental health issues. Mental health is a subject that affects millions of lives worldwide. And it's crucial that we understand how to support those who are going through difficult times. In this vlog, we'll explore 5 practical ways to show empathy towards people with mental health issues. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive right in. Our first step is to educate yourselves about mental health. Understanding different mental health conditions, their symptoms, and the challenges individuals face can help us develop a compassionate mindset. By expanding our knowledge, we become better equipped to empathize with people and provide appropriate support. You can educate yourself about mental health through different ways, some of which are books. Look for books written by reputable authors and mental health professionals. They provide in-depth knowledge and personal insights into different mental health conditions. Some highly recommended books include Lost Connections by Johan Hari and The Body Keeps the Score by Bessel van der Kolk. Online resources. The internet can be a valuable source of information, but it's important to be discerning. Visit reputable mental health websites such as the National Institute of Mental Health (NIMH), the World Health Organization (WHO), or reputable mental health organizations like Mental Health America (MHA) or the National Alliance on Mental Illness (NAMI). These websites often provide reliable information, fact sheets, and resources on various mental health topics. Podcasts. There are numerous mental health-focused podcasts available that cover a wide range of topics. Listen to podcasts hosted by mental health professionals or individuals with lived experiences to gain valuable insights and perspectives. The Mental Illness Happy Hour, hosted by Paul Gilmartin, and The Hilarious World of Depression, hosted by John Moe, are popular examples. Documentaries and films. Documentaries and films can be powerful mediums for understanding mental health issues. Look for documentaries like The Mask You Live In, or films like Silver Linings Playbook that offer nuanced portrayals of mental illness. Mental health courses. Consider enrolling in online courses or workshops related to mental health. Many universities, organizations, and platforms offer courses that cover various aspects of mental health. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or FutureLearn often provide accessible and informative courses taught by professionals in the field. Remember, educating yourself on mental health is an ongoing process. Stay curious, seek out diverse perspectives, and continue to learn and grow. By doing so, you'll become better equipped to show support and show empathy towards people with mental health issues. Another way to show empathy is active listening. Sometimes, all someone needs is a listening ear. When someone opens up about their mental health, try to be fully present and listen attentively. Avoid interrupting or judging their feelings and experiences. Instead, offer empathy and understanding. Reflective listening techniques such as paraphrasing and summarizing can help show that you genuinely care. Remember, your role is to support, not to solve their problems. Showing empathy means offering genuine support. Be proactive in asking how you can help. but be respectful of their boundaries. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. It could be as simple as checking in regularly, sending an uplifting message, or offering to accompany them to therapy sessions. These gestures show that you care and are there for them during your journey. Additionally, educating yourself about available mental health resources and sharing them with those in need can be extremely helpful. Language matters. Using stigmatizing language can perpetuate stereotypes and further isolate individuals with mental health issues. So, let's be mindful of the words we use. But what exactly do we mean by stigmatizing language, especially in relation to mental health? Let's explore that. Stigmatizing language refers to the use of words or phrases that carry negative connotations, reinforce stereotypes, or undermine the experiences and dignity of individuals with mental health issues. It can contribute to discrimination, shame, and isolation they may already face. By avoiding stigmatizing language, we can create a more supportive and inclusive environment. Here are some examples of stigmatizing language and alternative approaches we can adopt. Avoid using derogatory terms or labels. Terms like crazy, psycho, or lunatic can be hurtful and perpetuate negative stereotypes. Instead, focus on using person-first language that emphasizes the individual rather than their condition. For example, say a person with schizophrenia rather than a schizophrenic. Refrain from using language that trivializes mental health. Expressions like mental breakdown, nutcase, or going insane can undermine the seriousness of mental health issues and belittle the experiences of those who are struggling. Choose language that respects the complexity of mental health challenges. Be cautious with diagnostic terms. While it's important to acknowledge specific mental health conditions, be mindful of how you use diagnostic terms. Avoid using them as adjectives or ascribing them to people as defining characteristics. For instance, say she has bipolar disorder rather than she's bipolar. Use inclusive and respectful language. Treat mental health conditions with the same respect and sensitivity as physical health conditions. Avoid making unnecessary distinctions or value judgment. Mental health issues are just medical conditions that deserve understanding and empathy. Remember, it's not about being overly cautious or policing every word we use, but rather being aware of the impact our language can have on individuals experiencing mental health challenges. By using language that is inclusive, respectful, and person-centered, we create an environment that promotes sympathy and reduces the stigma surrounding mental health. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of self-care. Supporting others starts with taking care of ourselves. Remember, it's not selfish, it's necessary. Engage in activities that bring you joy, practice mindfulness, and prioritize your mental well-being. When you're in a good place mentally, you're better equipped to provide support to others. So, let's make self-care a priority and encourage those around us to do the same. We have a whole video on self-care, so you might want to search that out and watch it. Thank you for joining me today as we explored 5 practical ways to show empathy towards people with mental health issues. Remember, empathy is a powerful tool that can help create a more compassionate world. By educating ourselves, listening without judgment, offering genuine support, using inclusive language, and practicing self-care, we can make a difference in the lives of those who need it most. If you found this vlog helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others. And don't forget that if you need any professional help, Theragist is here for you. With us, you're not alone, and we want to walk with you from where you are to where you should be, which is optimum mental health. Click the link in the description box to reach out to us. Bye!